Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you too? Yep.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Holy smokes. Which one are you gonna get?
Banana bread French toast.
Top with vanilla syrup. That sounds good. Look how cute this restaurant is.
It's very cute.
Right? For my birthday breakfast, I got the buttermilk pancakes with scrambled eggs and sausages. And Ryan got the banana
bread French toast.
Looks delicious.
It does, right?
And we have our own different syrup because Ryan has like banana rum.
Syrup.
You think there's rum in it?
Yeah, but you can cook with alcohol and it gets cooked off. Like the alcohol gets cooked off while they're cooking with it.
Well, enjoy.
Thank you.
How'd you like breakfast at Olivia's?
It was really good.
I thought it was really good too.
That breakfast, the French toast was like, it had it. It was thick.
Yeah, it was really thick. The pancakes are really thick
I like
too.
the pieces and I was like full.
A lot of food, but it was really, really good.
It was very good.
I really like this one, like the denim one. I don't know what size I would be though, because I heard someone said like with the new fabric they're not the same how they used to be. So maybe I could be a medium.
No, it's probably not. The size is probably the same.
I don't know.
The castle? Yeah.
Oh.
You're screaming.
Holy smokes. It's only $7. I really like that towel.
Yeah.
And it has the castle, that one with the castle on it. Can you imagine just having so many Disney stuff in our kitchen? Oh well, what is that? A Mickey baking mold. You can make a cake.
Or Jello.
Oh. Don't ask how we ended up at the Grand, but we really just wanted to ride the monorail. Monorail, you heard me?
Monorail.
The monorail.
Good morning. Good, how are you? Thank you.
Hi, good morning. Thank you. Look at Monorail Pete's just chilling. I can't believe we get to hear that. Yay!
It's not Disney trip unless you hear that.
I know, seriously. So since this monorail's chilling here, this is perfect time. They have put dividers in the monorails. Last time they only had like a sheet, that sheet right there in the middle, that was the only thing that was dividing you and the parties inside, but they weren't putting that many people in there. So now it looks like they're putting more people in the monorails. And it looks like Monorail Red is making its way over to us. Making its way down the track of the Grand Floridian to take us to the Magic Kingdom. Coral, not red.
As I said, coral.
I said it was red. From a distance it looked red. Thank you.
This is different.
Yeah. So see, now they have these here. So I guess they're doing like 4 parties.
I guess each one's like a little cubicle.
Yep. Welcome to the Magic Kingdom. Yay! I'm so excited.
Right?
I'm so excited. It's my birthday at Magic Kingdom today.
It's your birthday.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday since the day I got here, but it's officially my birthday. Look at all these people. Oh, I guess it's her first time.
What's that?
There's a family behind us. I guess the children are just coming to Disney World for the first time.
The kids are wilding out.
I know, the little girl was like, I finally get to see it in person, and my heart just melted.
It's a beautiful day.
It is. Crowd level this morning looks a little a little crowded, but park just opened about 20 minutes ago.
So, surge.
Yep, everyone's coming in, but it's okay.
It's until 10 o'clock tonight.
I know, it's like an old day at Magic Kingdom.
Really
9 a.m. to 10 p.m. minus happily ever after. So for the first time, we're entering Magic Kingdom and we are heading over to Splash Mountain for the first ride of the day. We've never done that before, but it's looking like a short wait right now. No. I think our first ride has always been either Mine Train or Space Mountain.
It's true.
I gotta get a picture in front of the castle for my birthday. Oh my god, what in the world is that ugly fence in front of the castle? Holy smokes. I'm upset.
You're better off going to the back of the castle and getting a picture.
Ah, but it's not the same. It's not the same. Do we think the spring rolls are gonna open later on?
I'll be very sad.
I don't know, but they don't even, it says house-made spring rolls, your choice of 2. But that says pizza, pepperoni and cheeseburger.
Yeah. Usually, I feel like if a cart's not serving, like totally, then nothing will be there. They'll just say that sign, not serving. They'll take.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, actually, I don't know if they can take that away. No, they can't. Oh yeah, it's a little fine.
Well, what's it called?
Well, I guess we'll see you later. It's
Yeah,
early. It's
we'll check.
9:30.
Yeah, so maybe. My birthday wish for today is for a cast member to let me inside Club 33 because I'll never be able to afford it. So I say you let me in right now. Let me in.
Let me in.
Let me in.
Let me in. Let me in.
I'm so happy to be spending my birthday here today. You guys don't even know.
We saw a couple get engaged.
We did. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So
they were having such a beautiful, like, how did you think that, like, what made you think that they were going to get engaged? Well, you said he was holding something.
Yeah, they had like a little sign. And I'm like, oh, he's going to propose.
Yes, it was so
It's taken from
cute.
somebody who's done it here. I know what it looks like.
He had a nice spot too because, like, there was really nobody in the background of them. It was really, their pictures are going to look really nice.
Nicely.
Yeah, they did. But how exciting, yay.
Yep, good for them.
Yes, congrats to them.
Yep.
Maybe you guys are watching. You know where they are. Whoever got engaged, LOLs. But we're off to Splash Mountain. It's a little chilly, but as it gets warmer, more people are going to want to get on it. So
If we can get on later, we can get on later, but I'd rather just get it out of the way.
yes, in fact, because it could be the last time we ride it. No, I'm just kidding. We're coming back in the fall. Alrighty, here we are. It says 15 minutes. Still not bad.
No,
The line for Big Thunder looks long, but it's only 15 minutes.
it's the spacing.
Yeah. Like we said, park just opened, so everyone is here anyway. So we're all going to Splash Mountain. I would like to give a shout out to somebody on TikTok. Her name was Chrissy. Don't know the name of her page, but she had an extra pair of the King Arthur carousel mini attraction ears, and then my dog decided to chew them. And so I'm still wearing them because while they're on, this is hard. While they're on, you can't tell that they're broken. You know, and they're probably my favorite ears that I own. They're absolutely, look at them, look at them. All right, we're here. What was the time?
17 minutes.
17 minutes, posted at 15, so it's not too bad. Hi, just 2.
So big, yeah, put that hood up.
I forgot to put a surgical mask on.
Oh, you want it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, it's starting. You wanna hold it? It's a little
Can't
commentary.
see. The screen stops after a while. Oh, there
Yeah,
it
to
is.
save the battery. The battery's low on that one.
I know,
listening if you want to do commentary. Fine, how are you? Oh my god, I got destroyed. I'm soaked. This is the wettest I've ever gotten on Splash Mountain.
I've been protected.
By me.
I've
Welcome.
been saved. Well, my body is not safe.
Well, look at my shorts.
No! Go. This is unacceptable, Disney World.
Welcome home, Red Rabbit.
Next up is Big Thunder Mountain, 20 minutes.
Howdy folks, we'll walk on the Big Thunder Mountain right this way.
He said, howdy folks.
Welcome to Big Thunder Mountain right this way.
This part always makes me feel so claustrophobic. It's so narrow, and it's even more narrow with the plexiglass up. It's really hard for social distance because you can't stand like side by side. You have to stand like behind one another. So if you have people with a large party, yes, this was a good idea going down the right side. But like these people in front of us, you see like you can't stand side by side. It said 20 minutes and it's 8 minutes.
Best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Jack Sparrow is out greeting guests. Next ride, Jungle Cruise.